Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the space and hardware so setup goes fast and clean. First, unpack the console, power brick, an HDMI or component cable, and a controller. This saves interruptions. Plug the power brick into a grounded outlet, then into the console until it clicks. This ensures proper contact and prevents power faults. Once done, press the power button briefly. The ring should light. If it does not, reseat the brick and try another outlet, because stable power is essential for system integrity. Now you hook up video, controllers, and network to make the console usable. Connect HDMI or component cables to the TV and select that input. Set display to 16:9 for proper scaling. Insert AA batteries or a rechargeable pack, then press the guide button and the console's sync button to pair the controller. This links inputs so you can navigate menus. Next, connect Ethernet or configure Wi-Fi. System updates will download and install because updates fix bugs and add compatibility. Make sure the update completes before installing games. Finish by setting accounts, installing games, and validating storage so you can play. Sign in or make an Xbox Live profile. Set privacy and payment options as needed because profiles manage saves and multiplayer. Insert a game disc or download and install from the store. Confirm available storage or attach an external drive if required. If something fails, power cycle the console. Hold the power for 10 seconds, unplug for 10 seconds, then reconnect and reseat all cables, since most startup issues are simple connection or power faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.